In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Hotmail login history. This is an important step for maintaining the security of your email account because it allows you to monitor who's accessing your account and identify any suspicious activities or unfamiliar accesses. So let's dive right into it. First, you want to start by logging into your Hotmail account. Once you're in, look for your profile picture or the circle icon that typically represents your account. It's usually located in the upper right corner of your screen. Click on this profile icon. You may notice various options drop down once you do this. Just focus on finding the option labeled Security. This next step is crucial as it takes you to the heart of where we'll be uncovering your login history. Once you've clicked on Security, it might prompt you to verify your account. This could involve entering a password or a verification code sent to your email or phone. This step is vital to ensure that only the rightful owner of the account is attempting to access sensitive security settings. Now that you've successfully accessed the security menu, look for an option that says, View my sign-in activity. This is where Microsoft logs every single sign-in attempt, both successful and failed, so you can check the history of logins on your account. Click on this option. What you'll see next is a detailed list of recent sign-in activities. This log provides you with essential information, such as the date and time of access, the type of device used, and the approximate location of where the access was made. This list is updated hourly, so it's pretty reliable in giving you up-to-date details. Inspect this list carefully. Check for any unfamiliar entries or suspicious activities that seem out of place. If you find something that doesn't add up, or if you notice a location or device you don't recognize, this could be an indication of someone else accessing your email account without your permission. If that's the case, it's time to take immediate action. Consider changing your password to something more secure if you haven't in a while. Strong passwords typically include a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Also, enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of identification beyond just your password. And there you have it. A simple yet effective way to check your Hotmail login history, helping you ensure your account is secure. Make it a habit to check this regularly. Doing so means you're alert to any irregularities, keeping your information safe and sound. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tech tips to come.